Hello and welcome back to another video. I want to do this as quick as possible as this will be a very long video. I want to try out DWL. It is a very close predecessor to DWM. It's basically the same thing. The difference is DWM uses Xorg and DWL uses Wayland. There are very nitty-gritty details. We don't need to go through that. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like on the video, and let's just get straight into it. I'm really excited about it. Hopefully this goes well. Kind of give you a basic overview of what we have to do. I'll tell you, make sure to join the Discord server. Let me just show you what we're working with. This is the system, basically the VM I'm working with. So have a quick look as to how much RAM and stuff we need. I don't think we even need this much. Anyway, if you want to chat or if you have any ideas, we can any issues, you can join the Discord server and talk to me there. I'm relatively active on there. Also, if you do want to support this channel, make sure to check out the Patreon. Everything, links and stuff will be in the description below. I now do try to remember and give out every single link that I do use in a video, so do check out for that. Now, as for the installation of DWL, it is, to be honest, relatively simple in a sense that the basic we need is these two packages. This is the first thing you need. We need more packages, but these are the first two things. Now first we'll install these two, and there we go. And also I'll just mention this before I embarrass myself. I'm not in any sense an expert in this topic. So if you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to share, make sure to leave it in the comments. Or if you want me to try out something, also make sure to leave that in the comments down below so I can check it out. Anyway, after that is installed, I would like to make a directory where I can put everything. Basically this right here, DWL test. Now as you can see, I have tried this before. This is, I think, my I forgot how much number it is. I think almost 10th attempt at this, because there is like every time something bad happens and I can't finish it. But this time hopefully we can finish this. So after getting in here, the reason I am doing this in a separate file is everything will be stored in this directory. So make sure to put it somewhere is relatively easy to access and you can work with. So I'll just put it in DWL test. I can rename this folder later, but to get the file itself, first we need this. So git clone https codeberg.org dwl.dwl. Like I said, the links will be in the description, and then just hit enter. This will just clone DWL repository into our system itself. Now there is another thing that we should get, which is slstatus. So do this /github github.com /suckless, I think. Yeah, suckless/slstatus. Hopefully this works. Okay, no, this isn't it. Let me see. Let me just double check the link. I think I missed something. Oh, my bad. It's not github.com. It is git and then suckless.org/slstatus, and that should get us. Yeah, there you go. So this is basically our status for our bar that we will have on the system itself, but that is our basic things that we need. So now what are the requirements, or I would say what are the prerequisites for this system? So we'll go with them one by one. So first, as far as I have seen at least, we'll need sy, and then here are the packages. First we need Wayland, obviously, and then we need Wayland protocols, and then as for the terminal, I would like to use Kitty. I continue using whatever this setup right here that I'm already using. And if you haven't checked this video out, make sure to check it out. Like I said, I will try to put it in the description. And then we need WL roots. So WL roots _0. No, the version will be 0.19. And I think that is a relatively stable version. So yeah. And like I said, the terminal will be Kitty. So you know what? I'll just put Kitty in here in case we need to update it. But you can use foot or basically any terminal that you like. But like I said, I like to use Kitty. I'll get into foot sooner or later. Base level, we already did that. But like I said, this is a required package. You need this. And also git, this is also a required package. Since we did this before, I want to include them here. And then we need W menu. So this is basically dmenu's Wayland version, Wayland cousin. It's just built with Wayland. And then we need a clipboard, so WL clipboard. And then for screenshots and stuff, we'll do Grim and Slurp. And for wallpapers, we'll do SoyBG. Massive shoutouts to Tony for giving me an overview of how to do this, as without his videos, I would be completely lost on what to do here. For browser, I'll go with Firefox. So I'll link his video as well, or the guide. I'll link it in the description. Hopefully, if I remember. Firefox, and we need a nerd font, which will be TTF JetBrains -mono -nerd. Yeah, these are basically all the packages we need for Arch Linux at least. So hopefully this works. I had most of these installed, so yeah, there we go. So after all of that is done installing, now we'll go into the DWL directory. There we go. If I do ls, now you can see there is a lot of files. Don't get overwhelmed here. We only care about this config def.h file. So this is basically our template for how the config file will be built. It's not built yet, so it will be built after we configure it. So let's just go with this config.def.h, hit enter, and there is a lot. So we'll go slowly but surely go through all of this. So if we just get in here, apparently at line 110, so I'll go to 110. This is what modifies basically what is our base key. So by default it is set to alt, and it does say that if we want to use Windows key as the mod key, we can just change it to logo, and I'll do that. I like that key actually more. So logo, and then anything below here is basically our keybind. So I'll go down here, and you can see here it says foot. I'll just change this to Kitty, as I am using Kitty. So if you're using any other terminal, make sure to change it in here. Okay, and then let's see, WL run. Yeah, I won't change this. I'll keep it as is. And then here you can see that this is a Windows Shift and then return for the terminal. Now, to be honest, I also like to use like just Windows return as the terminal, as it just makes things a lot easier. So I'll just remove this and then add a comma in here. So that should be good to give return. And I think there is another return, yeah, right here, which I would like to change to the zoom one. So let me see, WL shift, there you go. I need a comma in here. Make sure to like keep it mistake free, as it makes it a lot of pain to fix it. And after that, what else do I want to change? I think I want to change the quit button. So let me see. Oh, there you go. Kill client. I want to change it to Windows Q, as I did have that on my Hyperland setup. So I like to use the Q key without any shifts and stuff. So if I just click on it, it will just close stuff. So there we go. Anything else? Am I like missing something? I don't think. For now, I don't think there is anything. Also, Shift Q is quit, and just Q is just killing it. You know what? I'll put this in just Q. Oh, no. My bad. I think this quit is basically to quit out of your, how do I put this? Like quit out of your DWL setup. To be honest, I'll make it a bit more complicated than this, as I could use this key somewhere else. So let me see, WL modifier shift. I'll do a control shift. Hopefully this works. Yeah, and now I think that's about it for this. Oh, this right here, that's like menu key. It's like set to P. I don't want it at P. I'll put this at shift return. Yeah, it may seem confusing, but hey, it will work for me. So modify shift, and I'll just change the zoom key to be just, yeah, I'll change the zoom key to be P, because since that is one of, and I'll just change it to P. Shift P should be fine. Am I using anything for Shift P? Is there anything that is using it? I don't think there is anything that is using it. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. As you can see, there is not too much in here. except for setting this part up. And hopefully this is set up, so I can just save this. Am I missing anything? I don't think I am missing anything. So first up, I'll just get out of here. So okay, I'll just do X. And then we have to actually build it. And we can actually put patches in here. So that should be great. Do I do that? Let's try it. Let's try Firefox. Oh my god. In Firefox, we can go to DWL patches. So there we go. User maintained for DWL patches. And I think we can find it in here, patches. Yeah, we can have this bar. There is a lot of things in here. I'll play around with them later. And like I said, if you guys have any suggestions of anything, I'm open to suggestion. I just need to download this. So I think this one, the main. How do I download this? Oh, I think I can just do right click, save link as. Oh yeah, this will work. There you go, DWL test. I'll put it in a new file. Patches, save. So there you go. It should be saved. Now, if I do ls, no, I'll do cd dot dot. This just gets us back one directory and cd patches. Oh, we have to like compile it first. So let me just compile it first and then we can do patches. To compile it, so we can do sudo make clean install. This should just build this, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, it did work. It did work, which is amazing. So let's close out of it. And now the thing is, I'm already using it. I'm in a cage system, so I have to kind of get out of it since this is technically a window manager. It's not, it's a kiosk system, but it is still running Wayland. So I'll just exit out of it and then we can do DWL. There you go. That's it. We are in a mouse in a dark void. So now if I press Windows Enter, there you go. We have a terminal. And like I said, I did want to keep this kitty terminal. And if I press again, hey, we have two terminals, which is great. Okay, so I accidentally pressed Windows L and locked my system. And there you go. We can press Windows Q. And let me just clear this out. And now if I do cd DWL test, and now I think we can do patch now. So patch -i and patches bar.patch. Hopefully this works. I don't know, just skipped it. Am I missing something here? P? Oh, does it matter where I put it? Hold up. If I do ls, cw, I need to get in here, but can I just cp ls mv -r patches to DWL? Oh my god. Okay, that worked. cd DWL ls. Now let me try this. Hopefully this works now. Oh, so it does matter where we put the file. So you have to put it inside of DWL. So it isn't showing up right now. So do I have to exit and get out of here? Oh yeah, I forgot. What was it again? Windows Control Shift Q. Okay. If I do DWL again, there is no bar on here. Why? Why is there no bar? I don't have a bar, so let me just go to test DWL. If I do nvim config def.h, let me see. Sorry, constant. Do you have any fonts and stuff? So if I just do fonts, no. Text font. Oh, there you go. Found it. This is what we need. Now we have to set it to the JetBrains nerd font. So to this, we have to just type in JetBrains mono nerd font. I have to capitalize the F. There you go. Font, and then we need font and then mono again. Apparently, style is be bold. So style equals bold. There you go. Style equals to bold. Size, and nope, I want 20. I want huge fonts. and then hit save it. So now if I just exit out of it, so can I just build it again? Hopefully. If I do exit, let me try this again. Oh, I don't have a package. So backman -s fcft. Oh yeah, I have to install this. Okay, I installed it, fcft. Now let's see. Ooh, okay. Chill. So let's see what's the issue here. Package DL list. So sudo background -s DL list. Okay, there is a package called DL list. I didn't know I needed that. Okay, what do we need now? Let's configure. I think it's mostly because it's a newer version. I have no idea what the heck this is and what the heck it's doing. Okay, I didn't test out. Okay, so if I do Firefox, okay, we can open this and kind of see what we are dealing with. Hopefully I can get some help. I mean, I did get this, so I don't know what that means. So sy, yeah, I did get it. So I have to kind of quit out of it and just, I mean, let me try this again. There we go. So I'm going to ChatGPT. For now, I'll just copy this error message. I'll copy the whole thing. Hopefully it can copy the whole thing. Okay. So if I do, do I not need sudo? So cp config.def-h. Okay, I need sudo for this. Sure. Now I can do make clean. Okay, so sudo make install. Okay, I think that worked. I'm not sure, I don't care. I want the bar to be available, so so can I just do I have to exit out of it and then get in again? Okay, we have a bar. We have something. I think I think it was way too big. 20 was too big. Hopefully I can fix it. So what I got from all of that is go in here and then I think I can just edit the def file. Okay, yeah, I think 20 is too big. I'll go with 16. 16 now do the same thing. So make clean sudo make install. Okay, so hopefully that works. So if I just now exit out of here and then get in, okay, that's more manageable. Now that's something. Wait, can I just, is there any dot files or anything I can just borrow? So let me see, Firefox. Let me see if there is any DWL dot files. Oh, is this? Oh yeah, it is DWL and it is in void Linux. I don't know if this will work. It is a pretty minimal setup, to be honest. Oh, there you go, DWL, I found it. I mean, it is pretty minimal, to be honest. There is not too much in here. You know what? I will follow Tony's example and just follow what he did. Then I can just make my own customizations later, after I understand what the heck I'm doing. So yeah, so we'll just go in here and then back to editing. In here, apparently we have a W menu. So let me see if I can find it. Even if I can just do W menu. Oh yeah, this is the one. So apparently we can add stuff to it. So let me see. Apparently we can do -f and then mono nerd font and then 16. Okay, I think I can put it vertically. Yeah, I can put it vertically. So put it here so I can at least remember. There we go. Can I put it? Okay, yeah, there we go. Now I can put something else here, which is -L. Oh, I think this just makes the thing vertical, which is, I know what, that's actually good. So 10, not 100, 10. Does that work? I think, yeah, I have to compile it then. So there we go. Now I'm exiting. And to be honest, can I just, you know what? Can I just remove the config file? Like, not this one, just remove it. Yeah. And then now I can just do sudo make clean install. Oh yeah, it just works. So can I just open it right now? Let's see. No, I have to exit and get back to it. Let me try this. So if I do Windows Shift Enter, no, it didn't work. Did I miss something? Wait, my bad. No run. Oh, I missed a comma here. There we go. So we removed it. We just recompiled it again. Let's see. Does it just work now? Oh, I think I still have to exit. There we go. No, it's still not working. Why though? Am I missing something? Well, I did use a comma here. I did use it here. Interesting. -L. I mean, it seems to be correct. I know what I am missing. Am I missing something? There's fonts, JetBrains, Nerd, Mono, Advanced Nerd font, size equals to bold, equals style, equals 16. I don't think I did miss anything. You know what? I'll just do a quick reboot just in case I'm missing something. DWL. It's still not doing the vertical thing. Did I miss something? I don't think I did miss anything. I can't get it. Seems to. I think I'm missing something. Okay, I'll get. You know what? I'll probably won't even use W menu for so long. That's just temporarily just to kind of get it working. Let's see. slstatus. Oh, sorry. I have to build it. cd DWL test slstatus ls. Yeah, I think I can just sudo make install. There you go. Now it should be installed. Now if I do slstatus, there you go. slstatus is there. So now apparently if we do a -s, pipe it into DWL. Okay, yeah, I get it. It works. So basically, it fixes this. So yeah, for now, like I said, we can work with this for now. We'll fix it later. Also, we need a wallpaper. So let's see the menu fire. There you go. Now I have Firefox. Let me see. So I have my wallpaper. Downloaded, and let me see. Oh, I don't have a file explorer. No, I'll just get Ranger. I haven't used Ranger extensively, like that much, so I don't know how good I'll be, but hey, let's try it. So in here, what I want to do is just go back. How do I go back? I think I can do, nope. How do I go back? Oh, so just the arrow keys work. So I'll go here, I'll go to downloads. Then in here, I'd like to go here. And now, what can I do with this? You know what? Yeah, Ranger ain't working. I just have to make a new file. So mkdir /wallpapers. And then what I can do is just simply, I can just move it. Move, Control Alt F. There we go. First, I have to go back, and then mv this to wallpapers wall1.png. There you go. It is moved in there. So since we have SwayBG installed, let me see if this even works. So what am I even doing? So no, I can just go to here and click on this and it will work. Fish is great. If I hit enter, so Windows 2. Okay, there you go. We have a wallpaper at least now. And to be honest, if I just close this, it won't work. So we need to actually, make it work. Okay, now we just have to do all of this together to when we start DWL. So let me just make a simple script. So start, nvim start dwl.sh. Like I said, for now, I just have to make it work. Oh, I forgot. Why did I keep forget how to use NeoVim? Let me go with slash bin. Ooh, bin slash sh sl status dash s. We have to pipe it into DWL dash s. Apparently, we can run commands in shell or maybe use sh to run a command. Let's see. Swaybg dash I and then slash home. Okay, how do I use these autocorrects? Do I have to do something else? Yeah, I want to. Oh, I think I can use the arrow keys. Okay, hopefully that works. And apparently we have to put an and at the end. I forgot where is it. There we go. So if I just exit, first let me make it executable. chmod plus x, this one. There we go. Now if I just control, quit out of here, start. Can I run this? How do I run this? Oh, okay. I have to do dot slash. Okay, so now we have our basic system up and running. Let's say I want to have a file explorer. You know what? I'll just get tuner, just dash s. I can make a minimal system later. I just want to see how this works. So dash s tuner. So let's say I want to make a new, I would say, entry to have a, how do I put this? Like, let me show you. Let's say I want to have, let me just do this, config dev. So here you can see that if I just go down here, where is it? You can see like there is like specified of what this thing is. And I think, yeah, this is just a pointer. So let's say I want to add another pointer. Can I just do static const char and then star, let's say file cmd. Yeah, let's say I'll name it file cmd, and then I'll say I want to copy the previous line, and let's see if that can help me. So if I just do tuna here, I have to tuna, and then for now I won't bother with new things, and I'll just see if I can make it work. So obviously don't miss the colon. For C, that is very mandatory. And in here, let's say I want to add something. So I'll just go here, I'll copy this whole line, I'll just press P. So I have this like extra line. I'll say, you know what, I want to have E. And what this will do is this will spawn, since that's what the previous ones are doing. And in here, it is .v and then equal to what is going, like file cmd. Hopefully this works. I'll say if I just save this, save and exit, and rm, and then sudo make install. Now if I just exit, turn it on again. Now if I press Windows E, shift, wait, oh no, I think I forgot to change the actual keybind itself. Pull up. Technical difficulties, guys. Hold on, let me fix this. CD. Now if I do nvim, no, I did change it. What case spawn file cmd? What is different about this and this? Wait, does this even work? Let me see. If I do tuna, okay, it does open it, so it's not something that is not unopenable. So why isn't it? Oh, I think I have overlapping keybind. Oh yeah, I have overlapping keybind. No wonder it's not working. Oh, what is this? Oh, I don't like this. Let me just open this again. Yeah, I forgot to check for keybind, and this is for toggle full screen. I'll just put a shift in here. Shift. There you go. Now let's see if this works. That's actually pretty great. And if it doesn't work, that's also still pretty great. So remake it again. Okay, now if I just exit here, not exit, like quit out of it. Now if I do Windows E, it's still not working. So how do I make a, oh my god. Okay, you know what? For this video, I think this was my goal, is to kind of get DWL working. If I just do fast fetch, yeah, it is DWL. So that is something that I have managed to make sure I do. So yeah, that, I mean, why is this not working? So I did say dot spawn. File cmd some characters tuna. Is it something that I am missing? Because these are spawning these. If I do Windows E, I mean, it still is toggling full screen, which is shouldn't do. I'll recompile it. Maybe that's the issue. Let's solo this. Okay, now if I just do, okay, now if I just do exit, okay, yeah, it is working. It's working now. So yeah, I think that was the issue. So now it is working. It just opens up a new file explorer. So yeah, that, you know what? That wasn't that difficult. It just, it took a bit to understand what the heck I was doing. But other than that, okay, so if you want to set up any default application, we just have to type in this in here. And to be honest, I'm not expert at C. Like, I don't know this that well, but from what I have gathered, I can just copy this and then put it in here and then just change the file and this pointer name. And that just helps me kind of take stuff from here. So it's a great example point from taking things from here and just setting it up. And as for other things like screenshots and stuff, and even like I'll change the W menu to, I think, like Roofy, or not even Roofy. I think I heard someone say something new. So I want to test that out. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, and hopefully like this will help you get started with this. And yeah, there is a lot that can be done here. But like I said, for now, I have been recording for almost an hour. And yeah, this is all I could manage. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I will, like I said, get back to you after I get a bit more setup going. And I will try to document this and try to kind of set this up slowly as I go. Instead of kind of giving you an information overload and giving myself an information overload where I don't need to do everything at once. I will take it slow, kind of set it up slowly and kind of show you what I discover along the way, which is basically the purpose of this channel, to kind of take it slow and show you what I discover. That's basically it. And if it does help you along the way, make sure to, like I said, subscribe, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.